Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a newly built, luxurious townhouse? Look no further. These 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouses are sure to surpass your expectations. Located in a newly built development, walking distance from the center of the Mandeville town. This spacious unit is the best option for a family or as an investment opportunity. It is close to shopping malls, schools, fast food restaurants, hospitals, and so much more. This peaceful area is well sought after. Experience the cool Mandeville wind while overlooking parts of the town in your new home. Relaxation and tranquility at its best. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 80 million or US $519.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.